Hi everyone, this is Frank Boer showing off one of my beautiful steam engines. This is an EP, Ernest Plank, pretty much the forefather or godfather of model steam engines. He lived in the mid 1800s to the early 1900s, and this is one of his steam engines. It's beautiful in all shapes. It is vertical style. It has a blued firebox. It is actually like rifle blued with some gold trim at the base. Lots of brass. Real beautiful little steam engine. Let's see if we can get her fired up. I love this little burner. It sets perfectly in there. You just know it's the original. It fits too well, and it's in the same condition as the rest of the unit. Just absolutely beautiful. And the wonderful trademark of Ernest Plank. This is an Ernest Plank. There's no numbers to represent what series or make this is. I mean, I know what make. It's an Ernest Plank. You can tell just plain as day. But the model number, I have no idea what model number it is. And I tried finding this little steam engine, and I cannot find it anywhere. Am I the only one that has it? Isn't that just a beautiful running, showing proof of engineering in the 1800s and 1900s? He was such a master engineer. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like it. She'll be up for auction soon on eBay. I just have a little bit more cleaning to do and touching up and, tinkering a little bit. Like that little spitting. I don't know if that's a spitting or a cavitation. I might have to do some adjustment on this tension screw on the back. I think it's water. I think it's about to spit it out now. Yeah, it was just water. I hope you enjoyed.